Hi, I'm Brandon with Rockland Heating and Air. Today we're going to be going over a few things on what to expect with a new heat pump system. Modern heat pumps can definitely be more efficient than gas furnaces, especially here in the Sacramento area. The big difference on how they work: heat pumps move heat while gas furnaces create heat. Heat pumps work best when you keep that thermostat at a steady temperature. Big temperature changes make them work much harder. They also heat more gradually, providing a steady and even comfort instead of blasting hot air all the time. The outdoor unit runs year-round in both summer and winter, so seeing it run in cold weather is completely normal. You may notice water around the outdoor unit or steam during defrost mode. That's normal. Don't worry, it's not on fire. If it was, we'd be having a totally different conversation right now. When installed correctly, a heat pump can be a very comfortable and efficient solution for your home.